In this Map Suite MVC Edition sample app walkthrough, we're going to show you how you can utilize the Wrap Dateline mode on your overlays to allow for continuously panning maps. If you're not familiar with what Wrap Dateline modes means, in a lot of maps, if you pan over here to the edge of or the center of the Pacific, the data will be cut off because that's where the edge of or the dateline is. But when you have Wrap Dateline mode on, it allows you to continuously pan over to the left, and then you'll see Asia. And if we keep panning, we'll pan back over to the United States as well. And so this allows your user to just continually keep panning left and still getting relevant data. If Wrap Dateline mode is not turned off, they'll eventually just hit a hard barrier here where nothing would be displayed, and it would just be a blank area of the map, and they'd have to pan back accordingly. So this can be very important if you're dealing with your application in the Pacific Ocean, like if you want to show some ships across here and things of that nature, and you want to be able to show China and the United States paired to each other accordingly. So let's take a look at the code to show you how you can set that Wrap Dateline property. Here's the view source code, and here's where we're adding the map to the page, setting the background color, setting the map unit, and the current extent, which is zooming it into the default area when the map is loaded. And then here we're adding an overlay to of the World Map Kit WMS overlay. That's our background map that you saw earlier. And we went ahead and told it that we want to use or set the Wrap Dateline mode to do the Wrap Dateline. By default, it's not that case. So if you don't set this, it's going to end there on the dateline, and you're only going to get one instance of the map and not allow you to continuously pan. The next thing we're doing is creating a shapefile feature layer based upon the Country02 shapefile, which has the boundaries for all the countries in the world. And we're saying we want to show that for all zoom levels and giving it a style that's transparent with a green border around each country. So we've shown this is not only just available for the World Map Kit WMS overlay, but you can use it also with shapefiles and other data that you have. The next thing we just do is set the Wrap Dateline mode for the overlay that we're going to add our shapefile one to. So it's also Wrap Dateline, just like it is for the World Map Kit overlay, and add that to the map and then render the map out accordingly. And the end result is our continuously panning map that has no endpoint at the dateline. So I hope this sample app walkthrough has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us, or you can post them directly on the discussion forums at thinkgeo.com/forums. Thank you for watching.